Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you're wondering why a bowl is in front of me, well, we're doing a slime smoothie, but I have a twist to it, and I think I'm going to be the first person to do this on YouTube. I looked it up and I haven't seen anybody do this, but today is a twist to it. I know people have been doing slime smoothies for a long time, but today am going to try to make a new trend, and it's going to be swamp slime smoothie with a twist. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 colors down here. They're either greenish, grayish, or like tannish, and there's 6 slimes, and we're going to put them in here and try to make a black color. So we're trying to make a black color. So, and we have the bad round, stuff that we do not want in our slime. It'll make it smell good. So usually you do want this, it's good stuff. But if we're making bad, smelly slime, then we shouldn't have like Febreze and stuff. So first we got this watermelon and soap, shampoo. We do not want this. This is our bad round. We have to add it at the end. Whew. Well, we got some water, just in case we need some water. Tide, just in case it gets some sticky. And just in case we need some shaving cream, we got some shaving cream. Also, this is a bag full of it. We got Febreze, a marker, and some paints. The paint is good, and the marker is good. But this is bad. So, we're trying to avoid that. But yeah, let's just get started. The first slime is, it is sticky, but it's not that sticky, so we're just going to go on. This is green kiwi slime. Plop in there. Okay. The next slime is, I don't know what this is called. I named them. I'm naming them along. Here's just some slime. Okay. Here's our other slime. Whoa. I just added in. Anyway, okay, here. It's sort of like the other color, but it's a lighter. It's different. It's a different color. It's lighter. Oh, sticky, but we'll plop that down like right there. We got this slime. It's a blue. It's a blue slime. I actually like this slime. It's mermaid slime. But it's still going in because swamps have some blue in it, I guess. And for our last terrible slime is this tan. This is tan. It's like donut, but brownish tannish, yeah. And that's going to go right here. That's our slime smoothie. We're not done yet. We have one more. This is our last one. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. But slime, but I really do not want to put this in here. I actually really love this slime. So I'm not going to put this in here. I will give a little bit in here, but I really want to keep this slime because I love the color. It's actually my favorite slime. It's sticky, but I can fix that. But we have to add it in, and I don't want to, but okay. I will add a little bit of it in there. So yeah, guys, we're going to add that much in there. But I'm keeping this because I really want it. It has a container and everything. Yeah, and that's our slime smoothie. Before we do mixing, we're going to pour a little bit of water in. And yeah, slicky. Whoa, it's like, ooh. Oh, help me. Guys, what colors do you think it's going to turn out? It has to be a, we're trying to get it to turn into a black, so, for the best, I think it's going to turn out gray, because I like that, but it might even turn out to be pretty green. We don't know, but it's not supposed to be pretty. It's not supposed to be pretty at all, and there's a lot of green in here, and I think it's going to turn green. Oh my gosh. My arms are already tired. But, guys, don't remember we have to put that paint in there. But I think we should do a challenge with the paint and other stuff. So, like, I have to, like, I'm going to put a number. I'm going to think of a number, and I'm going to think it, and I'm going to say that one's 1, that one's 2, that one's 3. And then I'm going to mix them around. So I don't know what it is. And then I'm going to put how many pumps I want. Like either 32 or 1 shaving cream pumps in here. No, never mind. Okay, so yeah. I'll think of a number like 1, 2, or 3. I'll switch them around, and then I'll close my eyes. Just pick one. I'll like point at it, and then I open my eyes, and that's the one I have to grab. Okay, we're gonna take this out and start playing with it. It's sticky. It's not sticky as I thought, because these were really sticky. It's not even mixed in well, and it looks blue, but I don't want it blue. We don't want this pretty slime. And you're probably like, smelly slime? Well, we're trying to make it awful slime, because I was going to prank my sister. Okay, this is the color. It's a green, as I said. But I'm going to add some activator because it's sticky. We're just going to add a little bit, and this is tied. Like I said, like tiny, because we have to add tiny. Because watch, I added a tiny bit of that tie to this little piece of slime. And watch what happens. This could be our whole slime if we added too much. Oh yeah, it would. No, it wouldn't. It would not be like this. Let me add, like, if I usually would add a lot to it, if my slime wasn't activating, to this little slime, and that'd be like our whole slime. That is what I would have added. And we cannot add this much. I'm about to show you what would happen. It would ruin our slime. This is our slime. If that could be our whole slime. But luckily it's not. And we're just adding some activator soap. It's not that sticky, and it's not sticky anymore, see? So yeah, we're going to add some shaving cream. I like to split it up and just add like little pieces of it. I don't know. That's what I like to do with all my slimes. Guys, I might vlog. Tomorrow. I'm not sure if I'm gonna vlog tomorrow. I might vlog tomorrow. I'm not sure. But yeah, when I find out if I'm going to vlog or not tomorrow, I will do a short video saying when I'm going to do my vlogs. Like what? I need to make a schedule. It was every like week. Like I don't want to do every single week. Like every week. I want to do something better than that. Like every single day. But I like kind of busy some days. So I can't like do every single day. But I would like to do every single day vlogs. But I cannot. If I could, I would. But I can't. I'm gonna try to vlog 2 days. Like I'm gonna try to vlog like on my week. No, the weekends is when I'm busy. The weekends is when I'm busy, and it's gonna be way harder to vlog when school starts. You know why? I'll be at school all afternoon, and when I don't go to school in the afternoon, like Saturday and Sunday, the weekends, I'm busy. So I don't know what I'm going to do with that. That's very hard. I go to church on Sunday, and I go to breakfast with my grandparents. I go to breakfast with my grandparents Saturday. I meet up with them at Hodel House at 10:30 a.m. and we go eat. I spend the night with them every single Saturday. I wake up Sunday and go to church with them. And then I go home, and then Monday's next school. So yeah, I'm kind of busy. But I will try to do videos, like videos, not vlogs. But I will try to do videos, more videos than vlogs. Because they're way shorter. I guess I just don't have time. I have time tonight. I'm doing this video right now because I did it at like 12 o'clock in the morning. Right now, sorry, that's the camera battery. Okay, it's 4:09 a.m. in the morning right now. And that's exactly why I'm doing this video, so I have time. I don't have anything to do but sleep right now. Today, I have nothing to do. But see, my parents work. They both work at the same place at the same time some days, and they do work the same place the same time today. So I have to go to my grandmother's. Yeah. I got that diamond in the flesh. In the movie. And without my dreams. Wait, we forgot. I thought we were done with our slime. Okay. Okay. We're going to now lay out our ingredients. Whoa, okay. Lay them out. Of course, I'll know where they are. Okay. I'm gonna like do this. Okay, I don't know where they are. I'm just going to like try to pick. So I'm not gonna fill them. I'm gonna choose like. I have to know where they are. Where are they? This one. This one. This one. Okay, cause guys, I cannot feel it. I cannot see, I cannot feel I don't know if I was touching this or that. I touched the detergent all the way over here. But we have to put this in my slime, and this is our bonus, so yeah. We can't use this. We're trying to make our slime backs black, so that's bad. And these are bad. This don't do anything, and like this smells good, so. We're just making our slime better. And that's kind of good, because what if I want to actually save this slime and I can't? It's like color and smell. So that's kind of good. I got that diamond in the flesh. It was sticking, if you can see. It was sticking, so it did need some activator. It still needs it, but that's okay. Definitely need it after this because I think it'll melt it. I'm not sure. This smells so good. I washed my hair with this. We're trying to okay. Okay, that's good enough for something. I said I was gonna draw something, but that ain't drawing. First, only way you can play with salt without getting it messy on your hands. Don't want to wash your hands after slime? Play with soap and slime. Ha ha ha. This smells so good. It smells so good. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna die. It smells like what? It smells like watermelon. Oh my gosh. I'm going to add some coloring to the slime. We're going to make this a watermelon slime. I changed my mind. We're not doing the other one. We're doing this now. I boiled it. Okay. I'm going to show you guys this time. I'll be back when it's finally done. Okay guys, that's done. I mixed it all in. I'm just kidding. I can't edit that much. I mean, I can edit. It's not good enough. But this time I'll really be back when it's done. Broken down with me. Just get shine. They're not the same color. You're probably like, oh my gosh, you said you love that slime. Yeah, I did. But that's the color I'm making the whole slime. Sticking this marker in there, twirl it around, you come mountain high. You better work, you little jerk. Hey guys, did you think I froze? I'm just trying to get this all over me. Comment if you would want this slime. I'll do a giveaway on it if you want me to. If you don't, that's fine, because I cannot get the color I wanted. Watermelon sand. That's too much. Too much. I'm gonna do a giveaway. What should I do my giveaway on? I think I'm gonna do my giveaway on the slime. Whoa, whoa, whoa. No, okay, that wasn't that much. It was just a tiny bit. Okay. Oh, hey guys, I didn't know you were on. It's not stretchy at all. I'm gonna put it on top. Do you want me to lick it? Okay, I will. It's gross. Let me do it again. This melts slime. Watch this. Good luck trying to fix that. Thanks, detergent. Love you. Come out. Come out of the container. Oh my gosh. Work. Fine. And yeah, here's the slime. Smell like watermelon, definitely. You can go back in now. That's a pretty big slime. We filled up the container. But I'm going to go have to wash my hands. I'll put this right here. This over here. Anyway, that was for all this. Anyway, guys, this was the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and bye, guys.